Hey money explorers, ever feel like your piggy bank is taking forever to get full? Or maybe you hear grown-ups talking about investing and it sounds like a secret language. Well, you're not alone. Lots of people wonder if just saving money is enough to build real wealth. The truth is, there's a super secret handshake between saving and investing that can totally change your money game. In this video, we're going to unlock your ultimate money superpower. You'll learn exactly how to make your money work for you, not just sit there. So you can build real financial freedom. Ready to turn your small change into a mountain of treasure. Let's dive in with my pal, Rocky the Raccoon. Well, imagine you want to buy the thousand new video game, or a super cool bike. But what if you want your money to grow? Like a magical beanstalk that reaches the clouds. That's where investing comes in. They don't grow into big money trees on their own. And sometimes, their buying power can shrink over time because of something called inflation, which just means things cost more later. It could be a piece of a company, like your favorite cartoon studio, or a piece of a building, or even a piece of many different things. So let's say you save up your allowance, your birthday money, maybe even money you earn from chores. And if that company or project does well, your little piece of it becomes more valuable and your money grows. It's like your money goes out and makes little money babies. If saving is collecting seeds, then investing is planting those seeds in a special, super fertile garden where they can grow into a whole forest of money trees. The longer your money seeds are planted in that special garden, the more they can grow. If you leave it alone for many years, that one seed can grow so big it becomes a huge money tree. Then that tree drops more seeds, and soon you have a whole forest. It's like your money earns money, and then that money earns even more money. This is called compound interest, and it is like magic. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow and become super powerful. Don't wait until you're a grown-up to start planting those money seeds. Put it in a piggy bank or ask your parents about a special savings account. This is your seed collection. Watch more videos like this one. Ask your parents or a trusted grown-up about how they save and invest. While saving helps you keep money safe, investing helps you grow your money over time. Sometimes a lot faster than just saving alone. Once you have some savings, think about what big goals you might have way down the road, maybe college, or buying a house, or even starting your own awesome company. Those are the dreams you start investing for. It is how you can turn a small amount of money today into a much larger amount for your future. That's saving. It's money you keep safe for things you know you'll want soon. Those are super important for building a financially free future. Section 1. Saving your financial launchpad. It gives you a safe place to lend if things get bumpy, and it helps you reach those short-term goals. Start small, think big, and watch your wealth grow. Alright, adventures. First things first, saving. Think of saving like collecting super-duper seeds. It's simpler than you think. What is the one big goal you're saving or investing for? Let us know in the comments below. And share this video with a friend who also wants to unlock their money superpower. You're learning the financial superpowers that can help you achieve anything you dream of. You put them away, safe and sound, for a rainy day or a big goal. Why do we save? It takes patience. And sometimes the market can go up and down, just like a roller coaster. But over a long time, historically, it tends to go up. Exactly. Savings like building your financial launchpad. But here's the thing about just saving those seeds, they just sit there. So, saving is super important for your immediate needs and short-term dreams. Section 2. Investing, making your money work for you. Now, let's talk about investing. When you invest, you're basically using your money to buy a tiny piece of something that you believe will grow in value. Think of it like this: you give your money to a company or a project. This is the very secret to wealth building. So, remember our core message. Saving is for now and near future goals, while investing is for growing your money big for your long-term dreams. Section 3. The power of time and patience. Here is another amazing part about investing. It elapses time. Imagine you plant just one tiny money seed a day. That's why it's so important to start early, even with just a little bit. Now, a quick heads up. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Section 4. Your action plan. So, how do you get started on your own money growing adventure? Step 1. Save a little, regularly, even if it is just a few dollars a week. Step 2. Learn and ask. The more you learn about money and investing, the smarter you'll be. Step 3. Think long term. Remember, the core message is, saving helps you keep your money safe for today, and investing helps your money grow for tomorrow. Conclusion. So, what did we learn today, money masters? Saving is your money safe spot for short-term needs. Investing is how you plan your money to grow much bigger for your future. and time is your best friend when it comes to investing. Be understanding the difference between saving and investing. You're already way ahead of the game. You've got this. Don't just save your money, make it work for you. You won't want to miss our next adventure. If this video helped you understand the awesome power of saving and investing, hit that like button. It really helps our channel grow. And if you want more easy to understand money secrets and self-improvement tips, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep making your money mighty. Bye for now.